me with that set mirror. Set mirror with that. Set mirror with set.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, you're careful.
That guy is like that.
Hey, Parry, set mirror with that. Set mirror with set. Uncle Murphy.
Yes, Parry, pick up on yourself. Set me every day again, one more time, you know?
Yeah. With that set mirror, we forget to come for the Christmas holiday, so with that, yeah. I must say a different settings. And you know, when Mr. B is that your kitchen? No, this is not my kitchen. This is not my set mirror kitchen. Not by far, by no means. But we are here and we have a little stove reach a long time and we have started out. We are getting off a piece soup and we're there, so. How come we're not going to bother? You just make tea or something? No, we're not going to bother with breakfast. Are we late? Yeah, so. We are telling us so we are kind of low the wood fire business for now. Yeah. What we are going to do, we are get a little wood fire kitchen make up, but we don't identify the place yet. We don't go really deal with, you know, we kind of abandon around this because we have different plans and something. So, we there, I'm just dad and sugar, then go and search for yam. We are make some food today. We are going to have a breakfast because we get delayed. So, we just have to deal with something. We just want to make some tea, so that's how it is. So yes. We catch you all in the next clip. Been a little while, I have not checked up on you over here, but you don't know it. So we catch you all in our next clip. Alright, Paris, so this is me I make banana dumpling, but I don't know, like shoes so them teeth greater. I don't know, shoes I'm not know where they. I can't show them there, I tell them. Come in a place, come take away something. But things are under control somewhat now, so. Now greater than that for my greater banana, so I have renter, I make calming dumpling, I have really the fifi banana dumpling. So pat there, so pat white there, so you want some salt. Right this one. Man they don't say your show mouth. Think you can't talk your mouth round it. So I make dumpling. So Uncle Murphy I go come peel. Renter, we get some renter. A long time I no renter. So I make caramel dumpling, Uncle Murphy peel renter and banana. So your show mouth round them are drinking Guinness and feel sweet. So I add that go on. Them go a bush, go look yam, but yellow yam, but yam them not ready yet. So the rain give them a little ease up here in the party, I not chat too early. So I put some salt in the pot. I never salt yet, you know. So, I start up here cold, this salt come out glum. I now put no more. I now make the salt, make the mackerel and salt. So. Dumpling can't go in there now, you know. Water, wet. So, I have video in there, so no one will talk, say. And so, Uncle Murph, you can't come almost come in a place, you know. Come with the rent of them and the banana. Yes. I think you rent on, but I give dumpling them some time for cook first. Okay, no, I put them in now. So take out your rent of them out of your bag now. Yeah, man. So Uncle Murphy will deal with that, you know. That's him I go back a bush. And so I try to put things on dumpling, but I really did feel. Never me ain't no caramel dumpling, because I never feel for banana dumpling, but shoes I don't know which party there. I'm a single man in Paris, so when him go it so it's matter, and him is not the cooking type, you know. Make a tea and him gone and deal with him food on a different level when me not there. So, but when the window them never in, like all the time they just come through, but the window them in now, so, and doors, so they can't get for come in. But I know a greater alone and take other things too. Only pop cutlery and sitting where we did have them. But that's okay, that's fine. Because when you can't have your things then properly lock up, that will always happen. So that's it. We have enough water for renter yam and whether something they name always end up and make them look a soup dumpling. Yeah. But I don't know, I just see everything like mama. When the dumpling that we left too big to make one, so I just end up make two little soup dumpling. So next clip, Quarry.
Yo, Quarry, happy Christmas. And after New Year when they come, come in the kitchen, I want to pull out, you know.
Yeah, peel that now, Uncle Murph.
Yeah, renter yam. So I'm going to peel it.
Fresh renter.
Fresh renter.
Cup in the kitchen, shoe. One to take up now. In this shoe. Yeah, right in this. We come like the tea for the cup them too. In shoe? Come and get some of the party cook up. Let's get some. It's alright. That one time you're not there and you're in the one. We would expect that. We would expect that.
No, I'm there, man.
No, come there again. No, the tea cup.
No, I'm there, man.
In there? Okay. You want to start sitting over Gully?
No, I'm there.
How about this song? So, Uncle Murphy take along with the food, them water in there. The dumpling pot look like it a boil up, Murphy. So, I add up some, I add up the pickle.
Yeah.
I boil up the pickle to show some more water in there. Dumpling over here, boil in a Murphy. So, you ready? Where you have there? You ready with where you have there?
Yeah, man, the yam ready, but we don't put in the yam.
No, put in the banana then.
Banana.
Me I go.
But we can put them in the car.
Yeah, alright. Put them in.
Yeah.
Alright. See them over here, so far. Show them a fat cup there. Now go look on sour orange. Yeah, sour orange out there, so.
You squeeze some guy, you know.
What?
And mackerel.
No, me I squeeze some in my pot.
Oh, okay.
And when I fall down, one big old banana drop down in my gully, jump out. Yeah, big old, you know, go get 2.5, 1.5, carry down. Then fat enough, but they don't look like them good at all.
Ghost Mitchell, you know.
But I like grossy banana for eating it.
No, you look like a Ghost Mitchell, you know.
No, not grossy that.
How that's along?
A big breed banana, man. Other than big banana, they done this so. Bring some sour orange in my pot, yeah. Do the same thing like the lime, but it don't look like you pot one more water. But you can hold no food in it. Uncle Murphy, a real man, you have them biggie.
You can cut them.
But them big, you put them small, they can go mash out.
Mash out.
Yeah, that's true. And then fresh,
Yeah, they're fresh. They're soft, you know.
Yeah, man. Murphy, a long time we make no rent out, like.
A long time.
And we make no rent out, yeah. In white, in a pot and pretty, they do. Alright, we put extra salt now, so. 1 lick that, right? Yeah, man, enough water in a pot now. No one more water, water good. Yep. We boil out some salt mackerel now. Papari. I never follow Uncle Murphy. Now me have to pick out the yam then. Because the yam then cook and we don't want them mash out in the water. Fresh and nice, renter that, you know. Yeah, true Murph. And me I say, you cut the yam, the man cooking. Yeah, so me I pick out the yam them because then cook. And then in the water and some salt mackerel here, so. Salt mackerel boil up, Murph. Yeah, we can control off the water here now because I don't want the salt get back in it. So me there, so me I pick out the yam them parry. You know, say some people out of water, you know, when I start look about the salt mackerel. Yeah. I just feel like I just 2 pieces of the yam I got eat. And the banana dumpling me did feel for. Yeah, Paris, so me I show Uncle Murphy say the banana them look like them are some waxy banana. Me I'll try it. Banana them tough. But me I left them and I wash them. Let's wait. Alright, the mackerel ready, so me I go do some deboning and Uncle Murphy cut up the seasoning them over this. He was always I cut up the seasoning, man. This some bone here, but oh me I go put them bone in. Some people put them bone in. Alright, Pari. Wow, this is nice. Hey, me tell that say, you know. There. Hey, boy, me tell you, say, I hold up a salt mackerel in a Pari, 3 powder salt mackerel, but for me crew, them love salt mackerel, so vinegar and everything down in there. So I make it some oil, so I make it stay there. Yeah, but it's pretty though. Very see. Turn down the dish. Yes, sorry, so. But I love stick things, you know. So that's the end of the mackerel. And yam them cool down. Yeah, some of that near. Yam them did this so. Oh, Murphy, I get the plate them together.
Yeah, get the plate them ready.
Yeah, and dumpling and banana in here, so. And see there, mackerel ready. Murphy, come here, come look here. And 3 pound of mackerel, this how much I would have eat there if you could.
Yeah, for sale, so. Okay, that's what
Next week, when me a dish, I don't see anymore fully. But I let tough like I want to reach a city, them and tough. Lord God.
They're ready.
Then you see a tough banana, them brother. I'm to them full.
Yeah.
Them they full. Wake up for this now. Oops. Lord God. You think so? You go for anything so you have space. You have no space then? One table you come in like joke like this. Whoa, alright. Well, you must know what I do. Uncle Murphy, I say, I tell you if I feet cover this. When we come late today again, should we get water?
Yeah.
Boy, spoon to wash. Hi. Oh, Parry, look at this. These are a beauty. Look at these. Wow, tangerine and pretty, Dad? Oh, God, Jesus, tangerine for pretty, but not so. Yeah, I will get one bunch of plantain, coconut, and the side last side breadfruit now, don't they?
Yeah, no more.
But watch out, Kobe and she eat the banana and left the banana skin right there, so. But she right here, we have right banana to carry down to, don't Always fruitful, Allah's a blessing. And I say, Daddy, have some old breadfruit tree. I show them the breadfruit tree the way I carry God told, don't give people. But when we do them the breadfruit tree, they look like sitting food there. We don't know with them, we don't know. Why, sun pretty. So them say sun pretty to the outside. Nice weather.
Yeah.
I'm not getting no rain from the other day. Thank God. But you know the time I get chilly. But me make sure so me make sure so me wear a next something. And my clothes right here. So me have a next white something like Marina and my clothes coming. I may have my jacket still. But me know say what me like about up here. Like this time of the evening, it just bring you back, you just start to feel cozy. I don't know about nobody else. You know, Uncle Murphy? Yeah. But the little breeze that come from back, so now you just start to feel cozy. For me alone, I'm like the window and the door, them already, you know, because I don't know, say, that little country coziness there, you don't get them coziness in a city. And it, no, you don't get them coziness in the city. When it coming down to this time of the evening, you just want to wind down, finish all your work and just lock up your house and just lay back and chill. Comment, Parry, and tell me if you live in the country part, whether Jamaica or anywhere, when it comes to this time of the evening. For me, when I'm in the country, I always get this cozy feeling, just like me just want just everything with me, I just want to finish it. Take your time, boy. Yeah. So, like, you know, I just want to just go kick back, do what you have to do, and just go chill out. But comment and tell me, there's a cozy feeling that I get when I read, when it comes. And this time throughout the year, not all the while, especially this time when the time in school. Yeah, Uncle Murphy has to set out the plate them. Yeah, go dish out their food in the next clip. Yeah, we'll bring some toilet bowl and something for shoe. So, I'ma pack out in toilet bowl them and sit them. When you soon see shoe progress, yeah. Soon see progress, man. Yeah, deal with it. It don't be tough like any building. The banana them. Tough like any building block. You don't want to yam? No. You don't like yam? Okay, yellow yam already like this. Then go search yellow yam, but you not ready yet. You 2 banana?
No, 2 dumplings.
2 dumplings, but I want a banana.
No, you said them toast.
So you know Jamaican man, you know black man picking, you know can name 1 tough banana. Eh? Me sure say you are my picnic. Lord. Alright, come. Say no one and I banana. Where you there? Hey, Colby. You know if you say feet that's at Mackerel in your house, you know. Go on. So you're far, yeah. I have 3 man here now when I go dish for. Dad, Uncle Murphy and shoe. I don't go much, you know. I take it easy. I think I eat my dumpling. So. Uncle Murphy and bow shoe. So Parry, Uncle Murphy, lad. Uncle Murphy please. This is his shoe. Oops. Uncle Murphy. Hear him now? Your Uncle Murphy. Right? Maybe say as me don't eat something, I'm going to carry time against your Uncle Murphy. But I feel not. When say? No have dropsy. Me don't have the dropsy. Me don't have no dropsy, so you did. No, but you don't know what me not eat no whole heap, so me not gonna have the dropsy. You are gonna take a dog. I want that him go and crave it too, you know. Like you want some big dumpling and some
one dumpling.
One dumpling?
Mm-hmm.
So you're good?
Yeah.
Alright, let me just set up sugar. Uncle Murphy had Bixby. But come to think of it, Uncle Murphy not eat nothing from morning.
No, we tea drink.
Hey, you don't eat from morning. You eat nothing there?
No.
When me eat one patty.
Mm-hmm.
How old is this? Have you shown me, say?
Uncle Murphy.
No man, you mad man, see Uncle Murphy going over there spread out like burger that.
Oh.
Yeah, like that we get the trailer.
This is a fish show. This is Uncle Murphy. Oh my God. Food nuts, yeah. But them should I suffer. Hey, you know say, me see somebody come few months ago and say, me I give big man 2 dumplings. Or me Parry, no comment. Or me stingy with food. Me say really, because some people really not easy, you know. Say me stingy with food. Me I put 2, every time me I put 2 dumplings in a big man plate. So hold on, them not put 2 dumplings with food. With other, me don't know what kind of man them a check, what kind of man me a feed.
Some crazy man say some man.
No, a woman says so.
Woman.
Yeah, woman. Me don't know what they hear about. I mean, I eat my dumplings, so. No, my dumplings, them tough banana, I can't really manage them, you know, I'm not telling a lie. The banana, them kind of like them more than me. Like a dumpling done, the banana, they enough in a dumpling done. Alright, Uncle Murphy, come. Sure. Come, Dad, this is for you. Make it short for me. I must the rent and me I go eat with the I too like the dumpling ain't too tough. The banana. Uncle Murphy, Uncle Murphy come. Come show. Show them your food. See ya boy.
Yeah.
Uncle Murphy, make sure you show them now. Yeah.
See me a party. See it?
Gee.
That's what we can hold.
You come, sit for me, I ain't a party, I don't know more. I don't know top banana, I can't manage them. I don't really feel for no dumpling. Come with the dust. I'm not a lover of coming dumpling. Yeah, I like banana dumpling and plant dumpling and so. Do you know where the fire come from? And more yam left here, you know, say for no one. More yam. They have some men feeding. Eat your food. So nice go. Eat your food, me a pack up your stuff, pack up figure, wash up when we return. Yeah. Me a go put them down. Ox cover. Hurry, me a wash up some plate. There's not dirty plate in it. What I do, go wash that pot here. But
But me and say, my parents have to be them the big old banana or breadfruit sucker there. Me I tell him to make sure so they can connect back my tank. You know, I don't want to come back here and my tank, no connect him. I don't want me and them have nothing, you know. Alright, Parry, so the evening stay nice and comfy. Boy, we're going to give them a little more chance. Hold on there. Uncle Murphy, I will kind of track this. Where this water come from, I come down here.
Okay.
We have to look at our pouch would dig up an implant into there. You have to look like a one track.
Careful with the water. Careful with the water.
Yeah. Parry, here? What you say? Eh? No, I not say that. I say, when I keep some. Oh, you put that song. Show you know, so I never remember to carry some sticky trap. Show this one back for me now. Oh, that's so. I never remember to carry some sticky trap. But I don't know if I'm going to see them.